The first light touches the rim, and the canyon begins to breathe. From above, it looks eternal, a vast cathedral of stone carved by time itself. Nearly 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and over a mile deep, the Grand Canyon is not just a landscape, it is a memory of the earth. Far below, the Colorado River moves quietly through the shadows. For millions of years, it has carved through rock, not with force, but with patience. Layer by layer, it revealed nearly 2 billion years of history. Some of the oldest rocks at the bottom were forming when life on Earth was still young and simple. But this place is more than just a landscape. Long before cameras, before trails, before maps, people lived here. The ancestors of the Native Americans walked these cliffs more than 12,000 years ago. To them, this was not a wonder of the world. It was home, sacred, alive. Stand at the rim and you feel small. You are looking into deep time, into wind and water, into uplifted stone shaped by tectonic forces that raised the Colorado Plateau and gave the river the power to carve a mile into the earth. And yet, it remains silent, patient. The canyon does not rush, it teaches. That beauty is not built overnight, that strength can be quiet, that time is the greatest artist of all. As the sun sets and shadows stretch across the cliffs, the Grand Canyon reminds us of something simple. We are here only for a moment, but the story of the earth and of those who walked here before us continues, and for a brief time, we are part of it.